back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. We're putting some TRD Tundra 18-inch OEM wheels on my 2000 Toyota Tundra SR5. So currently I have the stock SR5s. They're like polished, or I'd just say aluminum looking, silver looking. And then I got those, I went and picked up and drove that huge road trip to go get those TRD wheels, the black and chrome ones that are from the 2021 TRD Pro truck. Now they're not the TRD BBS wheels, which I wish they were, but those things are $2,500. I got a really good deal on these ones. Brand new tires on them, they have Michelin's. So before we do that, we need to go jump over to the MR2 so we can have fun with the MR2, but we need to get a 22 millimeter socket because I don't own one of those. I don't own a 22 millimeter, and that's what I need to install the new wheels, to pull them off, and then in addition to that, install the new black lug nuts I got. I'm really excited. It'll be a really good looking wheel. So the intro will be you guys seeing these new wheels. Let's go ahead and start the install. Let me go get the MR2. Let's go. All right, we are now in my favorite car, my turboed MR2, 2ZZ, boosted baby, and we are on our way to go pick up a 22 millimeter lug nut so we can install those new wheels. This car is so fun. So we got to the, we're actually going to Home Depot to get a 22 millimeter. So let's go get a 22 millimeter and then we'll be able to get the lug nuts off of the Toyota Tundra. Let's go. Okay, so we're good. So 22 millimeter, this is what we needed to get the socket, the lug nuts off. So now we're gonna head back to the garage and start pulling off those old wheels. I'm not gonna not get in the MR2 and, you know, not do one pull, right? We just gotta go, oh my gosh, so fast. Okay, so we've made it back to the big old Tundra. So I already broke loose with my new 22 millimeter. They were really on there hard, so I broke these loose. I ended up standing on them. These are the OEM lug nuts. I'm pretty sure the previous owner sprayed all this chrome, like with the paint. So let's go ahead and, I was gonna get my, I'm probably gonna get my air tool, but right now I'm just gonna use the hand tool. So let's buzz these off real quick. Get all four of these off. Yeah. Got the OEM lug nuts off. The wheel should just come off. I think this wheel has some cupping on it. So I don't know if you guys can see it. It does have cupping on it. So I think, you know, it was making a lot of noise going down the road. I'm not sure if it was just this, or if the if I need to put a new a wheel bearing. I'm not sure, but I think I had cupping on this. So let's pull this guy off. I'm really tempted to hit this with some spray paint, but let's move this so you guys can see it here. So there we are. I'm really tempted to hit some of this with some spray paint. Or at least some WD-40. I'm gonna coat it with WD-40. Okay, so I always recommend hitting this with a little bit of cleaner and wiping it all down. It's good for it. Put some cleaner, put some little bit of lubricant on the bushings. It's good for it. Then you get a nice thing. I'll probably end up doing new brake rotors. There's a lot of pad left, but those are just ugly. I just don't like these brake rotors. And then I'll probably end up painting these guys red. I think that'll look good. I've showed you guys how to do that before. Come on into the garage, not the boosted Lotus. Yes, the boosted Lotus. So I got these in the mail. We're gonna be installing these right now, and then we'll do that for the final part of it. So here are the new wheels. I love them. That being said, let's pull off the center caps. We're not gonna be using those. That's what's over there. And then I'm gonna show you guys the new lug nuts. These are sick. Look at these. Oof. So OEM style, not Acorn style. Well, maybe these are called Acorn, but not the ones that are the little lock ones that everyone has a key for. These are just OEM style. I think they look good, but they're black. They're nice powder coated black. So let's go ahead and bring these out there, and then we're gonna grab one of these wheels, and then we're gonna start over to the Tundra. I'm gonna slap some new wheels on this big old hunkin' beast. Okay, so these are OEM TRD wheels, and then the tires are gonna be smaller than the Goodyears that I just had. These are Pirellis. But it'll be more of what I want to use. In the future, I'll probably go with a fuel wheel, that fuel company. And then real soon here, I do want to be doing, gosh, these things are heavy. Real soon, I do want to be doing a wheel spacer. Let me see if I can get this guy on here. These aren't like little MR2 wheels, guys. They're big old hunking things. Alright, there we go. Perfect. So, now that I got this on here, you guys can see everything. We are going to go and thread one of my new black. Now, do I need to put the wheel cap on? No, these will. Let me go get the TRD cap, because I don't know if they'll fit over this or not. So let's put the cap on first. I love the quality of these so much. It's going to be so hard because I'm going to paint them black. But it's going to be so hard for me to do that. So let's go ahead and put the TRD. So these are TRD. Here's a TRD. In the next clip I will have the part number, but look how beautiful those are. And the reason I really want to do a TRD or black, because the TRD with the where it's in red with all black will look good. That's what I'm going for. I'm trying to get rid of all the chrome. These are black, but I am still got the chrome here. But they're really good looking wheels. These factory wheels are. So let's put this guy in here. That is an OEM part number. Both of these are OEM part numbers. The only thing that's aftermarket is these lug nuts. Bam, just like that, TRD wheel installed. So I think that the center caps you can actually pull off. Yeah, you could pull them off without having the lug nuts in. Last piece that you got to put on, the most important, is the tire stem cap. So we're going to discard all these lug nuts, and then we're going to lower the truck up the front down right now, and we're going to tighten this wheel up, and we're going to do the rest of the 4 of them. Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. Okay, once you get the truck down, you guys are we're so used to not having wheel gap. Look at this wheel gap. Now on the truck, you want more wheel gap. So once you get the truck down, make sure to tighten those lugs. But dang, those are awesome. I got a killer deal on these. So we got the Michelins. I think I might need a little bit of air. It looks a little bit low. Definitely a different profile on the side than these Goodyears. But these Goodyears look dated to me. So this looks a lot more sporty and a lot newer. It's a good choice. It's a really good choice. Plus, for the bang for the buck. I just wish they were all black to match that TRD. I think it would look a lot better, and then you'd be able to see into the brake rotor a lot more. But currently, your eye focuses on the 5 little I don't even know what you call these, but whatever those shapes are. Gosh, this thing is just retardedly big. Huge, 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 huge. So again, comment down below. Do you guys think I should get rid of those runner rails? I think I should. Should I just run without them? I'm not gonna do it today, but I think I might should just run without them. I think it'll look really sporty then. Anyways, the truck looks really nice. This looks like a really expensive truck now. Really excited to do the other driver's side and passenger side tow mirror. I already have one, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do those. But yeah, and then we'll end up doing probably like a 3-inch lift kit. And then I really want a new exhaust. That's the exhaust down there, if you guys didn't know, and it's pretty ugly. But yeah, let's go ahead and grab the other TRD wheel. These look amazing. Okay, truck lowered back down. I definitely got to get rid of those foot rails. I mean, they're cool. I talk about it all the time because they're the most shiny thing on the side of the car. They're useful, but I think I could just go with a better look. These wheels look amazing. I tightened the lug nuts down, put the TRD center caps on, got the new black lug nuts. So 2 wheels down. It is again a frigid, frigid day. It's so cold in Washington. But here's the before. Oh gosh, what a big difference. So if anyone wants these, they'll be for sale. I'll put them up on Facebook Marketplace. It won't be shipping these giant things. But let's go ahead and lift up this side of the truck, pull off the old wheels, and put the new ones on, and then roll into that cinematic intro. All right, we are all done. This truck is huge, but is amazing. I absolutely love this. I think this is a really, really beefy setup. So again, these are 2021 TRD wheels. Completely transformed the car. One, it drives way better. The BF tires, I think is what I had on the truck before, they're like mudding tires. Don't recommend them. They did not ride smooth, not what I wanted. These Michelins on here are just like a dream to drive on. It made the truck handle so much better, the steering wheel so much better. The other wheels, tires, I think had a little bit of cupping on them, so it's making like a road noise. Absolutely amazing. These ones are so much better. So here's the setup. That's it. Amazing. Looks so good. That is the complete setup right there. A little bit of tire shine on the rear. I forgot to put tire shine in the front. So if I would have put a little bit more tire shine in the front, it would have looked a little bit better. But that is a good looking truck. It looks so sporty. Absolutely love it so much. Look at those. I'm almost tempted to just leave them chrome like that because they look so good. You know, we do have the TRD center caps. the actual TRD center caps with the black lug nuts. Black lug nuts, OEM style, are a must. That is a must. Those look so good. It makes the truck worth, it looks like the truck is worth so much more money. It does, it looks really, really good. Absolutely love it. I forgot to put tire shine. Don't hate on me. I should have put tire shine on this one. I always put tire shine, but I forgot. TRD center caps look amazing. The new Rock Warrior grille looks so much better than the chrome. The Alpha Rex headlights are on their way here. They've been shipped. I still need to do the mirror, but overall, I think this truck is absolutely looking awesome. Looks so good. I got some LEDs coming in for the interior really soon, but those leather seats are still holding up and they look fantastic. Those are the Clausio leather seats. Really good condition still, really comfy, very nice. I love the leather. Truck is turning out really, really well. Don't have my carbon fiber dash yet, and then I don't have my new shift knob yet. Swing by MrRay.com, get one of these TRD badges. This truck is just absolutely, it's awesome. This has been a good build. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I know that it's hard for you guys to, you're here for a CELICA, an MR2, or a LOTUS, but this is good content. I really like this truck build. I'm having a lot of fun with it. It looks awesome. So that's it. Make sure to like, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this. We're going to be doing some TRD floor mats. I'm going to show you guys how to install those. Again, I want to show you guys that a lot of this stuff is interchangeable. The new stuff fits on the old stuff. These are 2021s, and the 2021 TRDs wheels fit on this perfectly, like absolutely perfect. Same bolt pattern, same everything bolts up. I probably will do some wheel spacers for these. I'm going to be doing the new TRD floor mats, the headlights. I do want an exhaust, and then of course I'm probably going to get rid of those rails. That'll be coming real soon. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys, on the next video will probably be me picking up the Toyota CELICA, so happy Thanksgiving. The Toyota CELICA I'll be picking up here real soon. Like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. See you guys in the next video.